Section 5.3.7, Pretrial Motions. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into pretrial motions in the criminal justice system. These motions play a crucial role in shaping the outcome of a trial before it even begins. We'll explore various types of pretrial motions, including motions for discovery, suppression, dismissal, change of venue, and severance. Let's get started. Before a criminal trial begins, both the prosecution and the defense can make several motions that can affect the outcome of the trial. One of the most common pretrial motions is a motion for discovery. The process of discovery is where the prosecution must make available all of the evidence it has to the defendant. This can include physical evidence, witness statements, expert testimony, and any other materials that the prosecution intends to use at trial. Discovery is an essential part of the pretrial process because it allows the defense to prepare its case, examine the evidence, and develop a defense strategy. The prosecutor is legally and ethically obligated to turn over any exculpatory evidence. This means that if the prosecution has any evidence that tends to prove the defendant's innocence, then it must be turned over to the defense. Another common pretrial motion is a motion to suppress. This is a request by the defense to disallow illegally obtained evidence from being admitted at trial. A motion to suppress is typically filed when the defendant believes that the evidence was obtained in violation of their constitutional rights. This could include evidence obtained through an illegal search and seizure or evidence obtained through a coerced confession. If the defense prevails in this motion, the jury will never see the evidence. In other words, a motion to suppress is an attempt by the defense to invoke the exclusionary rule, which is a legal principle that prohibits the use of illegally obtained evidence in criminal trials. Other pretrial motions that can be filed include motions to dismiss, motions for a change of venue, and motions to sever. The defense typically files a motion to dismiss and asks the court to dismiss the charges against the defendant for a variety of reasons. These include insufficient evidence, lack of jurisdiction, or prosecutorial misconduct. A motion for a change of venue is a request by either the prosecution or the defense to move the trial to a different location. This is typically done in cases where it is believed that the defendant cannot receive a fair trial in the original jurisdiction due to pretrial publicity or other factors. A motion to sever is a request to separate multiple charges or defendants into separate trials. Discovery motions are fundamental to ensuring that both parties have access to the same evidence, allowing for a fair trial. When a motion for discovery is granted, the defense gains insight into the prosecution's case, helping them build a stronger defense. The obligation to turn over exculpatory evidence is a cornerstone of this process, as it ensures that any evidence that could potentially exonerate the defendant is not withheld. Motions to suppress, on the other hand, are critical in protecting the constitutional rights of defendants. If evidence is obtained through illegal means, such as an unlawful search or a coerced confession, it cannot be used in court. This principle upholds the integrity of the legal system by ensuring that only lawfully obtained evidence is considered. Motions to dismiss can be pivotal in cases where the prosecution's case is weak or flawed. By filing a motion to dismiss, the defense can challenge the validity of the charges, potentially leading to the dismissal of the case without a trial. This can save time and resources for both the court and the defendant. Change of venue motions address concerns about the defendant's ability to receive a fair trial in the original location. High-profile cases, in particular, may attract significant media attention, which can influence public opinion and potentially bias jurors. Moving the trial to a different jurisdiction can help mitigate these issues and ensure a more impartial trial. Finally, motions to sever are used to separate charges or defendants into different trials. This can be important in cases where multiple defendants are involved or where a defendant faces multiple charges. Severing the trials can prevent prejudice and allow each case to be considered on its own merits. In conclusion, pretrial motions play an essential role in the criminal justice system, as they can significantly impact the outcome of a trial. By filing pretrial motions such as discovery and suppression, defendants can have a better understanding of the prosecution's case and ensure that their constitutional rights are protected. Additionally, by filing other pretrial motions, such as a motion to dismiss or a motion for a change of venue, defendants can increase the likelihood of a fair and impartial trial. Thanks for watching today's video on pretrial motions. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the criminal justice system. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. See you next time.